Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have your next basic tank ready for your wardrobe. This is from VICHYIE, and I love this tank. This is a black ribbed racerback tank, and this is a size medium, and I typically wear a small or a medium. And I really like this one because it is super comfortable. The material is really soft. It's very stretchy. It's made from a polyester and a spandex, so very comfortable. And I love a good basic black tank like this because you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can use it for workout clothes. There are just so many options. So I also like that it has a nice high neckline, so that is great for lots of different uses, so you don't have to worry about anything being too low no matter where you're wearing this. And I also like that the armholes are cut out nice and high, so you don't have anything showing underneath here as well. So I like to use this for working out, around the house, traveling, as a layering piece. So many options. I think it just is really cute and super versatile. Definitely need it in your wardrobe, and that's my point of view.